How to buy EOS cryptocurrency. One of the important aspects of blockchain, in addition to its structure and algorithms, is the underlying cryptocurrency that provides incentives for both infrastructure maintainers and users. There are several methods to acquire cryptocurrency, and the main one is to actively participate in the corresponding blockchain to reap the economic benefits and obtain the cryptocurrency. However, this approach is dedicated to those who are familiar with coding and is not accessible to everyone due to its complexity and the investment required in dedicated hardware. The approach available to everyone and the most cost-effective is to purchase cryptocurrency from individuals or entities that have invested time and money. To facilitate these transactions, various cryptocurrency exchanges have emerged. These exchanges serve as platforms where the demand to buy cryptocurrency and the supply to sell cryptocurrency meet. How a cryptocurrency exchange works. An exchange, as mentioned earlier, is a platform where you can buy or sell cryptocurrencies that are available on the platform. You can choose to buy or sell at market price or set a slightly lower or higher price. We can compare an exchange to a bank in the traditional financial system, where we can convert our money into another currency. Similarly, in a cryptocurrency exchange, we can convert our money or cryptocurrency into other cryptocurrencies. Buying or selling cryptocurrency. Regarding the purchase of cryptocurrency, we have two options. We can buy them using other cryptocurrencies, exchanging, for example, Bitcoin for EOS. Alternatively, we can buy them directly with our money, either through credit card transactions or by making a bank transfer to the exchange. To sell our cryptocurrency, we need to go through two steps. First, we need to sell them for another cryptocurrency, and then, through the exchange itself, we can convert these cryptocurrencies into the currency we use. Afterward, we can withdraw the funds to our bank account or use another payment system like PayPal, for example. Withdrawing funds from the exchange. Once we have bought or sold our cryptocurrency, the final step is to withdraw the funds from the exchange. It is generally recommended to store your cryptocurrency independently to minimize the risk of exchange failures and potential loss or restricted access to funds. To withdraw our cryptocurrency, we simply need to provide our cryptocurrency address, fill in any additional fields like the memo field if necessary, and within a few minutes, the withdrawn amount will arrive at our address. How to use EOS. Now that we have purchased and withdrawn our EOS cryptocurrency, we can immediately start using it and explore various decentralized applications, DApps. This includes applications related to decentralized finance, DeFi, where we can use decentralized exchanges, DEXers, or even explore NFT marketplaces and purchase artwork if we wish.